following the end of British mandate in Palestine. The United Nations General Assembly adopted a resolution known as declared the establishment of the State of Israel. The declaration emphasized Israel's commitment to democracy, equality, and peace. Neighboring Arab nations, including Egypt, Jordan, Syria, and Iraq, launched an attack on the new state. Despite these challenges, Israel has made remarkable advancements in various fields, including technology, agriculture. In conclusion, the Declaration of the Nation of Israel in May 1948 marked a significant milestone in its history, leading to the establishment of the modern State of Israel. We invite you to come and listen to a free public lecture on the Nation of Israel. Please register online at https://